Hey guys, I'm Danny and I bought a pair of sneakers from eBay. So in this video, we're going to go to my P.O. box, go pick up the pair of sneakers and unbox and review those sneakers. I'm very hyped for this pair of sneakers. I bought this pair of sneakers early before they even release. I do have a giveaway going on the channel because we did hit 10,000 subscribers. So I'm giving away a pair of size 13 Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, guys. These are brand new, dead stock, and I'm picking the winner on December 20th, and I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Drop a like on this video. Give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and then click the link down below in the description and go to the video that I recently did on my favorite sneaker unboxing of 2019, and on that video, leave a comment telling me why you want these Travis Scott Jordan 1s, and at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram username. Then go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, and send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. Good luck. Let's go pick up these sneakers from my P.O. box. I'm gonna leave my P.O. box down below in the description. It's in every single video. So check the description down below for my P.O. box, and feel free to send me any fan mail, anything like that. I would like to get a series here on the channel where you guys send me stuff and I unbox it, you know, and show you guys what you guys send me. So if you do want to send me anything, once again, P.O. box down below in the description. Now let's go to my P.O. box and let's go pick up these sneakers that I purchased from eBay. What is this? What the heck is this? DHL? Something's not right. DHL? That's never a good sign. I bought this from eBay. Why is it DHL? This is not a good thing. Let's go home. Let me unbox this and let's see what I got.
A few minutes later.
Okay. Let's unbox this package right away because I'm very nervous and anxious. I bought these from eBay, and when you get a package from DHL and shipped like this, yeah, this is not a good sign at all. I'm shaking right now. This is not a good sign. I picked these up early from eBay because I definitely needed to get this review up early. I wound up copying them from the sneakers app, which was dope. So I did pay, you know, a decent amount for these over retail, way over retail for them, to get them early, to do a bunch of videos on them. I wound up copying on the shock drop last week, so I didn't really need to buy these, but I purchased this pair before the shock drop even happened. This is not a good thing at all because this box should not be like this. Yeah, no one's shipped shoes like this except for fake companies, right? Yeah, definitely not a good sign. They're all bubble wrapped and everything. This is not a good sign at all. Did they get the size right? They got a size 11, so that's right. Bubble wrap? Yeah, never a good sign. This usually means fake. Let's get into this. I hope I did not get scammed. If I did, I'm gonna get every single dollar back, obviously, because it is eBay and I paid through PayPal. But it's not the point, man. It's not the point. It's the principle behind it. When you pay $325 shipped, you expect a real shoe. For what this shoe is, yeah, that should 100% be a real pair, not a fake pair. So let's take a look. Hopefully these are real. I'm very nervous right now. Finally got all the bubble wrap off. Let's take a look at these, man. I'm very nervous. So the box label, Air Jordan 11 Retro Black, True Red, and White, retail $220. What's good is Nike did do the shock drop, and I have a real pair. So I'm gonna pull up the real pair and make sure that these are legit. If not, I'm getting my money back. So let's take a look and let's see. Yeah, right off the rip, I'm gonna go ahead and say these are fake because why are they coming with Adidas socks? Why are they coming with Adidas socks that have Chinese writing on the back too? Yeah, not a good sign at all. Not a good sign. Especially, yeah, these things stink. These are definitely fake. I definitely got ripped off. I definitely got scammed here. A little messed up. The carbon fiber a little bit there. Oh, yep, these are fake. 100%. That smell. Yeah, if you know your sneakers, you know the real sneaker smell. Yeah, this is no. Absolutely not. Yeah, these are fake. Foo. They look decent, to be honest. The Jumpman does look a little lower. Do have one, two, yeah, the third spacing, but it seems a little lower than usual. because it's not, it should be a little bit higher, I would say. A little tiny bit higher. Yeah, these don't look 100%. They smell, like I said, terrible. If you know real sneakers, and yeah, you would know that this smell is not right. Guys, this is a fake pair. I'm like 90% sure this is a fake pair. A good fake, nonetheless. Yeah, the stitching is coming off on the back there. Like, there's threads. Oh, these things stink, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the real pair that I did pick up from the Nike Sneakers app. Nothing left in the box. They do have the quality control sticker in the box and the stamp in the box, but that doesn't mean anything anymore. So I'm going to pull up the real pair right now. Yeah, I'm telling you, the smell is not right. The smell alone is not right, but let me go ahead and let me get the real pair of Bread 11s. So right here is the 100% real pair from the Nike Sneakers app. I need to make sure I don't get these confused. I'm not going to, because the smell, the new sneaker smell is right here. Everyone knows that and loves that smell. I absolutely love that smell. If you have not seen the review that I dropped on the Bread 11s, make sure you guys go check out that video. Let me take a look at the fake, which we have right here. So we do have, I want to make sure we have two right shoes. Okay, right here, two right shoes. Yeah, first off, the smell is a huge difference. That's a huge determination right off the rip. Yeah, that spacing is definitely too low. This is the fake. This is the real. I'll probably do, yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a real versus fake comparison video for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I do not want people to get scammed on these Bread 11s because every year people get scammed on the 11s. There are differences. There's some differences that I'm noticing right away. I'm so mad! I can't believe I got scammed. I'm not going to lie. It's a good fake. But I'm noticing, yeah, some differences in the patent leather. 23 is, yeah, definitely more stretched on the fake. This is the real. This is the fake. Right there. I mean, I'm not doing a great job right now. Like I said, guys, stay tuned for the comparison video. That carbon fiber is definitely a giveaway as well. Guys, this is a fake pair. I'm mad! I'm very mad right now. I am so mad because I paid $325 for a pair early. Literally 2 days I bought them right before the Nike Sneakers shock drop. And they took a little while to come. I am so mad. So I'm going to go get my money back right now. File that claim on eBay and on PayPal. I need my money back because these are not real. I'm going to do a comparison video, so make sure you guys stay tuned on the real versus fake Bread 11s, the 2019 pair. And then I'm probably going to do another video giving these away to like a homeless person or something because I have no use for them. I'm so mad. You guys have no idea. I'm honestly controlling myself right now on camera, but I'm very, very mad. Yeah, the padding is off, everything. Oh, come on, man. I'm so frustrated. I'm very, very happy that I have a real pair to compare to because honestly, these are pretty good fakes. I mean, I can tell. I'm sure a lot of you may not be able to, but like I said, stay tuned for that comparison video. Yeah, the shape is off. They're not even laced properly. They're not laced all the way to the top. Smell. That smell, like I said, is a huge determination. So, carbon fiber, there's differences. The patent leather, the Jumpman, the 23, there's differences. I'm so mad right now, guys. Be careful when buying on eBay, especially early pairs, because I don't know if I'll ever do it again. I probably won't ever do this again. I wanted to buy these because, you know, it's views on YouTube, so I really wanted to pick up an early pair. Luckily, I did from the Nike Sneakers app, so shout out to Nike for dropping them early. Once again, this is the real pair right here, and the fake pair is right here. Guys, yeah, I can't believe I got scammed. Be careful when buying on eBay, guys. It is so scary out there. Also, make sure you pay with PayPal invoice. If you're not doing eBay, make sure you pay with PayPal invoice on anything so you are protected in case anything like this does happen and you can get your money back. So that's what I'm going to go do. I'm going to go file this claim and get every single dollar back. Every dollar back. Am I going to send them back to the seller? You know what? I might just do that because I have no use for them. I'll probably just go ahead and honestly do my video and then send them back to the seller. I have no use for them. I don't even want to do another video, honestly, donating them because I'm afraid to give them to a homeless man, to be honest with you, because, you know, what if they want to rob me or something? I'm probably going to, yeah, I'm going to return these to the seller. I'm making him pay shipping, though. I am not paying for shipping on these. I'm not taking a loss on it. So, this is bad. I have to end the video off here because I'm very, very mad right now. I need to go file this claim. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the comparison video between the real and the fake Bread 11s. They're close, but there are some differences. I'm sure you guys can notice the 23 difference right off the bat. So, yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.